They have special little pumps on them. We take water in, so if there's a fire in the forest, we can put it out. Or if somebody gets hurt while they're hiking, we can go and get them and put them on a special bed and take them right out so that they can be safe. Pretty neat, huh? Now we're going to walk around this way. We're going to show you our ambulance. Has anyone ever seen an ambulance? What color do you think the ambulance is going to be? Red? That's red. Any other color? Red and white. Very special one of our firefighters, one of our EMTs, is going to show you all about the ambulance.
Alright, what's this one called? This is my favorite truck. What's this one called?
An ambulance.
An ambulance. What do we use an ambulance for? Do we have hoses?
No.
What do we do with an ambulance?
Save people.
Save people. Very good.
What's that bed called?
What's this bed called?
If they
See my bed? I
die.
got a bed on wheels. Don't come up. Don't come up. Not yet.
If they die.
See, I got a bed on wheels.
People die.
And it goes up and down.
They get died.
Yeah.
Oh, die. Green.
What's that for?
Green. People.
Who rides on that?
People.
People, right. Sick people. Or hurt people.
Or dead people.
Oh, no, we don't do dead people.